Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English listening practice. Today, we will talk about someone very special, someone loved all around the world. Do you know who?
I think they already know. Yes, today we're talking about Lionel Messi. But remember, our goal is not just to talk about Messi. Our goal is to learn English through this topic.
Exactly. So, today's conversation will be very simple, very clear, and very slow. We will start with Messi's childhood and early life. Ryan, are you excited?
Of course, Messi's story is amazing, and learners will enjoy it.
Messi's birth and family.
So first, Messi was born on June 24th, 1987, in Rosario, Argentina. Rosario is a big city with many people, but Messi grew up in a simple family.
Yes, very simple. His father, Jorge, worked in a steel factory. His mother, Cilia, worked in a magnet factory.
They were normal working parents.
Messi was the third child. He had two older brothers and one younger sister.
That's right. And you know, Emma, when Messi was a baby, his family already noticed something special.
Yes, he was very small, quiet, but always kicking things. When he learned to walk, he also learned to kick a ball.
Exactly. When other babies played with toys, Messi played with a football. His grandmother said he never wanted to stop.
Messi and his grandmother.
Messi's grandmother, Celia, was very important in his life.
She always encouraged him.
Yes, she took him to his first football training when he was only 4 years old.
4 years old. That's so young.
But he was already special. His grandmother believed in him more than anyone else.
Yes. And after she passed away, Messi always celebrated his goals by looking up at the sky. It was his way of honoring her.
That's so beautiful, right?
Yes, it shows how much she meant to him. Messi's first club.
So, Emma, do you know where Messi started his football journey?
Yes, at a small local club called Grindoli. His father was the coach.
Correct. But people were surprised. Messi was very small and very shy, but when he touched the ball, wow.
Magic. Even at that age, he dribbled past kids easily.
And guess who convinced the coach to let Messi play?
His grandmother.
Exactly. She insisted, let him play. He will be the best.
Messi joined Newell's Old Boys.
When Messi was 6 years old, he joined a bigger club called Newell's Old Boys.
Yes, this was a very important step. At Newell's, Messi scored almost 500 goals in 6 years.
That is unbelievable for a young child.
People called his team the Machine of '87 because they won almost every match.
Messi was still very small, but very talented.
Messi's health problem.
But Ryan, not everything was easy for Messi, right?
That's true. When Messi was 10 years old, doctors discovered he had a growth hormone deficiency.
Which means his body did not grow normally.
Yes, he needed expensive treatment. It cost around $900 every month.
That is a lot of money for a normal family.
Their local club helped for a while, but later they stopped. Messi's family was very worried.
6. Barcelona's life-changing decision. Then something amazing happened. Barcelona scouts saw Messi's talent.
They were shocked. They said, "This boy is unbelievable."
Barcelona wanted to test him in Spain, so Messi and his father traveled to Barcelona.
During the trial, Messi trained with boys older than him, but he still outplayed everyone.
One coach said, he is from another planet.
Barcelona agreed to pay for his medical treatment, and Messi joined FC Barcelona's academy, La Masia.
Messi's early life in Spain.
But the journey was not easy. He was only 13 years old when he moved.
Yes, new country, new language, new life. Very difficult.
He missed his family. He missed Argentina.
But he kept practicing every single day. He was small, but he was fast, smart, and hardworking.
Coaches said he had amazing discipline.
One thing many people don't know is that Messi was very shy.
Yes, even in Barcelona, he talked very little.
But when he had the ball, he spoke through football.
Nice line, Ryan.
Thank you. Football was his language.
Messi's always says the same thing.
He always says the same thing. I just play football. I don't want to be the best. I just want to enjoy the game.
That's true. He never bragged. He never acted proud.
Humble and simple. That's Messi.
What can learners learn from Messi?
So, what can learners learn from Messi?
A lot.
Be patient, practice every day, don't give up when life is difficult, believe in yourself, stay humble.
Exactly. Just like learning English. Slowly, step by step.
If you practice every day, you will grow, just like Messi grew.
Hello again, learners. Welcome back to our English listening practice series. Today, we continue our 10-part Messi conversation. In part 1, we talked about Messi's childhood. Today, in part 2, we will talk about the biggest challenges Messi faced and how he started his journey at La Masia, the Barcelona Academy.
Yes, and remember, the conversation will be very simple and easy to understand. So just relax, listen, and enjoy the story.
Messi's big move to Spain. So Ryan, last time we ended the story when Barcelona offered Messi a chance to join their academy and also pay for his medical treatment.
Exactly. Messi was only 13 years old, but he had to leave his home country, Argentina. That is not easy for anyone, especially a child.
Yes, leaving family, friends, school, everything behind, it must have been hard.
Messi said in an interview, "I was excited, but also scared. I didn't know what would happen."
This shows he was very brave. Life at La Masia. La Masia is a famous football academy. Many great players came from there.
True. Players like Xavi, Iniesta, Puyol, all legends. And Messi joined the same academy.
But at first, Messi struggled. He didn't talk much, he didn't know Spanish properly, and he missed his family.
Yes, Emma. Imagine being a small boy in a new country. You hear new languages, new culture, new food, everything different.
Messi said he cried many nights because he felt alone.
But he didn't give up. That's the most important part.
Messi's first training sessions. So Ryan, how was Messi in his first training sessions?
Amazing. Coaches were shocked again. Even though he was smaller than other boys, his dribbling was unbelievable.
One coach said, the ball is glued to his feet.
Yes, and he was very quiet, but very focused. When others took breaks, Messi continued practicing.
That shows his dedication. He practiced because he loved football, not because someone forced him.
Messi's medical treatment continued.
Meanwhile, Barcelona continued paying for his medical treatment.
Yes, he needed injections every night to help his growth.
Imagine being a child and going through that every day. Painful, difficult, but Messi accepted it.
Why? Because he wanted to play football.
Exactly. His dream was bigger than the pain. Messi's first friends in Spain. At first, Messi didn't talk much, but slowly he made friends.
Yes, he became friends with Cesc Fabregas and Gerard Piqué. All three later played in Barcelona's first team.
They played, trained, and studied together. They became like brothers.
And friends helped Messi feel less lonely.
Messi and the language barrier. Language was a big problem at first. Messi spoke Spanish, but his accent was different.
Yes, Argentinian Spanish is not the same as Spanish in Spain, so sometimes people didn't understand him.
And Messi was already shy, so he talked even less.
But football helped him communicate. When he played, people understood his talent.
Football became his language. Messi's growth as a player. As months passed, Messi improved quickly. His speed, control, and vision were much better than others his age.
Coaches said he could dribble past 5 players easily.
Yes, and he did it calmly. No show off, no ego. Messi always let his football speak for him. Messi's discipline and routine. One reason Messi grew so fast was his discipline. He woke up early every day, trained hard, studied, and slept on time.
Many boys at the academy wanted to be stars, but Messi wanted to be better than himself.
That's deep, Emma.
Thank you, but it's true. Messi's mindset was different.
A difficult moment. Paper problems. But Emma, Messi faced another challenge in Spain. Yes, I remember. His registration papers had issues.
Correct. Because of paperwork problems, Messi couldn't play official matches for months.
That must have been frustrating.
Very frustrating. Imagine practicing every day, but not being allowed to play.
But again, Messi didn't complain. He just kept training. Messi's first official match for Barcelona youth team. Finally, after months, Messi got permission to play.
And what happened?
He scored 5 goals in his first match.
Yes, coaches said this kid is different. Everyone saw a future star.
Slowly, Messi became more confident. He talked to teammates, made jokes, and started feeling at home.
When people supported him, he opened up more.
And his family eventually moved to Spain to support him. That must have made him very happy. Messi's humility. Even though he was becoming famous in the academy, Messi stayed humble.
Yes, no attitude, no pride. He just trained and focused.
Coaches said Messi was the most disciplined student they ever had.
That explains why he became so great.
Lessons for English learners. So learners, what can you learn from Messi's early years?
Many things. Don't give up, work hard every day, stay humble, face challenges bravely, and keep improving.
And learning English is the same. It needs patience, practice, and confidence.
Exactly. If you learn every day, you will grow, slowly but surely.